Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you what options I recommend you to turn off on your iOS 14 on iPhone. So just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find your privacy. So just open privacy and just find your location services and just check all the apps that using your location if really all these apps needs your location. So and just try to use it like while using, if you allow to use your location, just not every time but while using the app. Just try this way. So just turn off this presses location and just try to while using the app. So this is the first thing you need to check. And also I recommend you to turn off screen time because it really takes a lot of your battery. So you just need to turn off and your phone will work longer without charging. And another option I advise you to turn off, it's in general background app refresh. So just turn off background app refresh and it will save to your battery and your phone will works faster. So just try this option. So I hope I help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.